Hey, what's up guys? This is Leon. Welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I will be teaching you how to set up OBS so that you can live stream through Facebook and YouTube. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell for more future videos. So if you open OBS, you will see this kind of layout. So you have menus here, we have the scenes, sources, audio mixers, scene transitions, and the controls. Scenes are just presets or like set of sources that you like running for different purposes. Like for example, you need to take a break, you need to put something on the screen without your video, so you can make a scene out of that. But that's a little bit advanced. Let's go to the sources. So the sources is where you configure all the video, the audio, the image sources that you would like to put on the stream. So to add a video source, go to add and then click it, go to video capture device, and then you can rename it to your liking. Let's say I'm gonna put this is my webcam. You have different sources, like if you have multiple webcams or an external camera that you can connect to your computer, you can just select it later, click OK. And then, this is what my webcam sees. Here you can choose the device. This is the name of my webcam. So you can configure your video, so you can adjust the brightness, contrast, hue, saturation, etc. See if which one is to your liking. You can change the resolution, color buffering, etc. Click OK. So I have a video right here. What I can do is that I could enlarge it to fit the whole screen. It actually depends if you want to have a design for that specific stream. You could also add it and then adjust your video if you want to put designs here while you're streaming. That's what gamers do, so that it would be visually pleasing. So now you have your video. Let's add some audios. So again, sources, click add and then add audio input capture. I will use my condenser microphone. This is my Samsung CO1U. And then device, you should click your Samsung CO1U, my Samsung CO1U device. And as you can see in this audio mixer, it's working because the level or the audio meter is like lighting up and down, so while you're speaking. So yeah, I think you're ready to go. So that's the basic setup. You have a video, you have an audio, and now what we're gonna do is to connect this to Facebook or to YouTube. Let's go to file and then settings. So under settings, click stream, and then you could choose which service or like which site you will be streaming at. So let's go to our YouTube account and then click create and then go live. Now YouTube will transfer you to the streaming studio. So we're now in our YouTube studio. So you can configure the title of your live and the category, the privacy of it. But let's go to the stream key here and copy this stream key. It's supposed to be confidential because you don't want other people to invade your streaming site. So go back to OBS and then you just paste it and then say apply and then click OK. And then to start streaming from OBS, you click this start streaming and then it will turn red, and that will indicate that you're live and that here are the how long you've been live for. You can also record it by pressing start record, and then you will know how much or how long you've been recording. So let's go back to YouTube. I'm live right now. So yeah, I'm now live on YouTube. So that's it for YouTube. Now we're gonna try to stream on Facebook. So let's go to our Facebook page. This is Fabb Sophisticated on Facebook. Please like it. Then we will go here to create a live. And then it will redirect you to this one. So to get started, choose use stream key because you're gonna use OBS. And under live stream setup, copy the stream key, go to settings again, and then stream, and then pick Facebook Live, paste the stream key, apply, and click OK, and then click start streaming. And let's check here. It shows that we're connected. This is how our live looks like on Facebook. And you're up. Okay, if you're done, you just click stop streaming and stop recording if you're recording something. And that's it, guys. You can start streaming on Facebook or on YouTube. If this video helped you, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and if you have questions, you could comment down in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer it if I know it. And yeah, share this to all the people that needs to know the basics of OBS. And I think that's it. See you on my next video. Bye!